Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I am going to make a tiramisu dessert. It is an Italian dessert. So the ingredients which you need are, let's go and see. So I have got 250 ml water inside this bowl and I'm going to heat it. So now you can see the water starts to boil. Low the heat to medium one. Then we'll take the yolk bowl and put it on the top, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar, custard sugar. We'll stir it. Let's break the yolk. And we have to do this until the sugar melts. We have to combine everything. You can notice that the yellow egg slowly is turning in a light color, so you have to keep stirring. Stir, 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 stir. So the compote should be like a creamy. So now I'm going to put 2 mascarpone. I have put already one. This is the second one. And now I'm going to use a little bit lemon extract, so like around 1 teaspoon. And yeah, let's go and eat it. Let's combine onto double cream. we are going to do a dessert. So I have used an Italian coffee, 3 cups of them. Finger biscuits, which is named savoiardi. You can notice that this side is full of sugar and this side is no sugar. So now I'm going to dip inside the coffee. Dip for 1 second. Put it in. Mascarpone. This is the first layer that we are going to do. Let's cover everything. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until then, Tashi World. Thank you. Bye.